the technician, he started pointing out things that I'd never seen taken off this combine before that probably should have been. I'm Dale French, and I've been a customer of Koenig now for about 1.5 years, and I've been real pleased with the results I'm getting from inspections prior to harvest, prior to planting. Well, I've been a farmer most of my life, and I've always worked with another dealer past 30-some years. Greg come along and introduced me to an inspection program that Koenig offered. So I took a look at it, and I thought, well, let's give this a try. When they come down to go through this combine, I walked into my barn one day, and there's every belt off this machine. All the pulleys were off, all the sprockets were off. Evan, my technician, he started pointing out things that I'd never seen taken off this combine before that probably should have been. And I guess the thing that really impressed me was it didn't just stop with him tearing it apart and putting it together. He actually took time and showed me why he took it apart and why we should maybe change it. And the part I really liked was the relationship I created with my John Deere tech, Evan. He goes above and beyond of getting back to me with feedback. Maybe here's how you can solve that problem. And that's worth a lot. I was totally impressed with the extent of the inspection that Evan had done on my equipment. I get my equipment inspected because in the long run, it's saving me time and money. There's no value to downtime. So if my equipment is running up and going, I'm getting stuff done. So in the future, I have no reason not to return back to the Koenig operation of equipment inspections. They get it done very timely, and I appreciate the fact that when they're at my place, I'm the #1 customer on their list.
Koenig Equipment, serving agriculture since 1904.